Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by switching to a business or creator account because that unlocks shopping tools and analytics. Once done, build a product catalog and connect it to Commerce Manager so your posts can tag items. This is how people tap and buy. Make sure product images are high contrast and descriptions include price and SKU, since clarity reduces customer friction. Now post your first shoppable post with tags and a pin story to start capturing interest immediately. Next, focus on content that converts. Mix reels for discovery, posts for catalog visibility, and stories for urgency. Explain the product in the caption, price, shipping, return policy, so buyers don't have to ask. Concise CTAs like buy now or link in bio move people. Once scheduled, respond to comments and DMs promptly because fast replies increase trust and conversions. Also monitor insights to see which format drives sales, then double down on the top-performing content. Finally, complete the sale. Confirm orders quickly, capture payment, and ship with tracking. This reduces disputes and earns repeat customers. Once shipped, follow up with a message asking for feedback and offering support because post-sale care builds reputation. If something goes wrong, missing product tag, disabled shopping, or rejected listing, first resync your catalog, review violation notes, and then escalate to Instagram support with screenshots. Keep a simple troubleshooting checklist so you can resolve issues without losing momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.